Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the smart sidebar in a Vivo phone. So this feature is actually like a hidden feature, and I'm going to show you how you can use this. So first you can go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down until you find this shortcut and accessibility option. So tap on that, and in here you can see this is the smart sidebar option. So tap on this. So the sidebar in here, you can use you can just swipe inward from the indicator bar on the screen to bring up the smart sidebar. You can see in here, this is the example. You can hold and drag the indicator bar to reposition it, and here you can if you want to enable it, just click on this options, click on the circle until it turns to blue, and here you can also enable the show recent apps. You can show two recent apps open from the all small window apps panel at the top of the sidebar. Here you can also adjust the opacity of the indicator bar when idle. You can see this is the indicator bar. So let's see, if you just swipe to the left, you can see this is the apps. For example, you can use this to make it quick for you to open a certain apps. You can also edit it by clicking on this arrow. You can change the apps that you want to add to the smart sidebar. For example, I'm going to add CapCut. You can see, just click on this and CapCut will be open just like that. If you open it or if you click it on the using the smart sidebar, and let's see if I can reposition it. So just hold and drag the C. Okay, let's close the CapCut first. Hold and drag. I don't know why I can't do it. So okay, so you can see it, you can reposition it to how you like it. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.